Hello guys, my name is Jambi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time here, welcome on board and let's get creative together. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to make a bracelet, this beautiful bracelet. And to make this bracelet, we're going to need the following materials: nylon thread, a lighter, a pair of scissors, a pair of cowrie shells, and something to hold the thread in place. So I decided to use a clipboard. We're going to need 16 strands of thread and 40 centimeters each. And because we have two colors, we're going to have 8 strands of pink and 8 strands of purple. Put the strands together and tie a knot at one end of the strands, and make sure you leave around 10 centimeters from the very end of the strands. We're going to use it later. Clip them to hold them in place. Separate the threads to ensure that similar threads are together. So we're going to separate them into 4. So we're going to have 2 4 strands of pink and 2 4 strands of purple. If you guys get what I'm saying, you're going to see in some minutes. So this is what I meant. So we're going to start from the farthest end, and you're going to use this purple thread, put it around the pink thread and pull it through. Leave the pink one behind, put around the next pink one, pull it through. Leave the pink one behind, put around the purple one and pull it through. Leave it there, go back to the pink one, put it around the pink one, pull it through. Leave that one behind. You're having an entanglement here, so you can start from either side. You can start from left or right. I decided to start from the left. I hope you can see we are making an L shape. Putting it inside, pulling it through. Make sure it's tight enough, and as you continue, you're going to notice a very beautiful pattern forming. And you can continue as much as you want, depending on how you want your bracelet, on how long you want your bracelet to be. So you can also make your bracelet thinner or thicker, so that just depends on how many strands of thread you're going to use. So we're going to use this tape to the end of the bracelet. Yes. Let's go to the next step, and oh wow, look at how beautiful it is already. So we're going to make a knot on one side of the bracelet, on the one side that had no knot. Make a knot, and you can see there's the threads that I told you to leave are still hanging. We're going to use them. So cut the ones that are shorter than the rest, because we need them to be of the same size. Cut them off. Cut them, cut the shorter ones, cut the short ones, and we are burning to ensure that they are secure, that they do not come off. Cut them, and so in this step you're going to insert the cowrie shell and insert the thread inside the cowrie shell. Ensure that all the thread is inside to avoid threads that are hanging. And this is why I told you to cut off the smaller ones. Insert the thread. And of course the others that are going to be left hanging, you're going to cut them off as when we finish So insert the thread inside the whatever, the cowrie shell, and we are burning it because this is nylon, and if you burn it, it melts. So we're going to burn it and press it to ensure that it doesn't come off. So cut off the rest that are stubborn, cut them off. Burn the thread to melt it, and then press it to ensure that it doesn't come off. Do the same on the other side. Insert all the thread, insert. Oh wow, look at how beautiful it is. And it's not even yet complete. So we're going to make a macrame knot. This is the last step. So this is why it's called a shamballa bracelet, because you pull it to wear it and pull it back to, okay, I don't know how to explain that, but I hope you guys know what I mean. So we're going to start by making just a normal knot, and just the normal knot around our thread. So we're just using the normal thread that we've been using to make the bracelet. We have only folded it into two. So put the thread inside the oh my god, this is quite hard to explain. Okay, just watch guys, just watch. It's not hard, just watch. It's not hard. I think this is a bit clear. You can make this macrame knot as long as you want it, or short. You can even end it here, but I wanted it to be a bit long. And there's a bracelet that is made on using this similar method. It's called a macrame bracelet. You can check on it on my previous videos. This is our last step, and I cannot wait to finish and wear this beautiful bracelet. So cut off the excess thread and burn to secure it. Burn it to secure it. Burn it and press it to ensure it's secure. And wow, our bracelet is complete. So okay, I had to use my mouth to pull the bracelet back, and yes, this is how the bracelet looks like. And so you can play with your colors. You can make a red one like this, a rasta one like this. And thank you so much guys for watching this video.